Okay, so today we're going to talk about the mean value theorem, or MVT. Mean value theorem is if f is continuous on the closed interval ab, meaning there's no hole or jump, and differentiable on the open interval ab, meaning there's a slope, then there exists a number c in ab such that the derivative of c is equals to f of b minus f of a over b minus a. Okay, for example, determine if the mean value theorem applies to f of x equals 3 minus 5 over x on the interval 1, 5. If the theorem applies, find the value of c guaranteed by the theorem. Okay, first we have to find if the equation is continuous. So here's a graph showing the equation. Since we only need to find the point from the intervals from 1 to 5, we can see that there's no hole or jump on the graph. So the equation is continuous. Next, we have to find if the equation is differentiable, meaning we have to find its first derivative, which is over here. Okay, so here. Since we only need the intervals of 1 to 5, and everything divided by 0 does not exist or can't be, so it means that the equation is also differentiable from the intervals 1 to 5. Since we already found out that the equation is continuous and differentiable, we have to plug in 5 and 1 to the original equation to see the c value, which is over here. There you go. And after finding the c value, the value of from the original equation, you have to plug that into the derivative and to actually find out what the c value is, which is this. But since we only need the intervals from 1 to 5, the only answer is positive square root of 5. In real life, you can use the mean value theorem to explain why an officer should give a person a ticket or not. So, okay, for example, at an interstate, a car passes through point A at 6 p.m. and a toll booth point B at 7 p.m. The 2 points are 80 miles apart. The speed limit on the highway is 75 miles per hour. Prove whether the car exceeds the speed limit or not. Here we go. Okay. So we have to find whether the car exceeded the speed limit, which is 75 miles per hour. So here's the work for that. Okay. So f of 1 meaning that there's an 1 hour, and 0 mean the starting point at point A, and then 1 minus 0. So if you put it in together, 80, which is the distance between from point A to point B, minus 0, which is at position A or point A, 1, like the overall time from point A to point B, minus 0, the starting point. So here the final answer is 80 miles per hour, meaning that the car exceeded more than 5 miles per hour over the speed limit. Okay, so using the mean value theorem, we proved that the car did exceed the speed limit. And by that, meaning you'll probably get a ticket. So anyways, this is Mikey, and here's a mini lesson about the mean value theorem, and thanks for watching.